right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It is officially closing time.
Closing time. One last call for alcohol.
For RM23, this one-of-a-kind 1968 Pontiac GTO, someone is going to take home this incredible car and $20,000 in cash. And if you got your entries in time, it could be you. It's too late to get any entries now. Legally, we're not allowed to accept any more entries. And November 6th, we will be calling a winner live on the internet. So if you can't join us for the call, make sure you have your phone on and charged and are ready to accept that call and become our 23rd winner. At RestoMods.com, we give away a car every 3 months, so the end of one sweepstakes necessarily means the beginning of another. So stay tuned to all of our channels to check out RM24. Make sure you set that calendar for November 6th. I will be sitting here calling a winner live on YouTube, and it could be you. Good luck.